birthday of Elena.
Yay! Hello.
Kahit birthday
Hello.
na pinili
It's
ng
my
mga sa
birthday.
pamilya, kaya
Hooray!
let's sing a happy birthday song for Elena in 3, 2, 1.
Wow! Yay, Daddy, it's my birthday! Wow! Happy birthday! Look at that! Wow!
Happy birthday, Elena.
Happy birthday, little cutie! Wow, tears of joy na yan!
Yeah.
Wow! Happy birthday, little daughter!
You want to keep it a secret? Okay, secret lang yung wish niya. Alright, nag-survey kami ng 100 bata. We surveyed 100 kids. And the top 7 answers are on the board. If you can have a superpower, what would that
That's
be?
one of my favorite questions. I love that.
Elena.
Teleportation.
Teleportation.
Hello. I wish I can teleport. Teleport from one place to another. Like
Nandiyan
this.
ba ang teleportation?
Oh.
Meron. Very good. Stellar, if you can have a superpower, what would that be?
Like flying.
Flying.
Hello. That's what I want to be someday. I wish I can be like my big sister or my auntie. She loves to fly. Yay! That's the top answer.
Pass or play?
Play.
Alright, Elena, back to your team first. Back to your
Yay!
team.
Let's play! Let's go!
If you can have a superpower, what would that be?
Super strength.
Super
Yeah, super strength, so that I can beat Mario. Yay! I'm gonna beat Mario with all his bad stuff. Yay! Yay!
If you can have a superpower, what would that be?
I think fast. I want to be super fast, like I were in a scooter.
Phoebe.
Whoa, what are you
If
doing?
have a superpower, what would that be?
Like floating stuff.
Floating.
What the heck? That's the same as flying.
Move stuff.
Yeah.
Try again.
Para si Jean Grey. Nandiyan ba yan?
It's not there.
Stellar, back to you. If you could have a superpower, what would that be?
Invisibility.
Grabe. Invisibility, survey says.
Nice.
Bruce,
Hello.
back to you. If you could have a superpower, what would that be?
Super speed.
Yeah, let's go super fast, just like Sonic the Hedgehog. And if you know my big brother, Buboy Villar, he was in the Running Man Philippines, and he's the fastest one there. Let's see who's there. Number 5. Yay!
Kaylee, back to you. 2 more to go. If you could have a superpower, ano kaya yun? What would that be?
Ano kaya?
Time's up.
Okay, now you can see.
Ew.
Alright. Princess, we're looking for 2 more. If you can have a superpower, what would that be?
I think flying or
Flying also.
making buildings like that.
So parang super strength, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang super strength din. Parang gano'n.
Okay.
Elena.
Telekinesis.
Telekinesis also. Rafael.
Reading minds.
Yeah,
Reading
I can see the sight.
Tasha, we're looking for 2 more. Pero isang tamang sagot na ang kailangan natin. If you could have a superpower,
How about a super jump so we can jump very high?
telekinesis.
I don't even understand what that is, but I hope it makes sense.
Baka malila ako ng rinig. Pero nandun naman kanina ang telekinesis services. Wala.
Ew, ew, it's not there. Try again.
Sabi na yung telekinesis, it was mentioned already a while ago. Yeah, and they got a wrong answer when they said it. Okay? So tignan natin yung mga namin.
Now, what are the other answers? Ew.
Apoy.
Whoa, fire breathing. And hangin. Wow! A boy, just like me, when I breathe down the fire.
And the knowledge ninjas
Thank you, Dad, for celebrating my birthday.
205. Naku, nakaka-3 rounds na tayo. Susunod na po ang pinaka-exciting na triple points round. Dito lang po.
Dito lang sa Family Feud!